but I never imagined any of this.
Do you know what you are?
Being selected to play Miss Marvel is a huge thing, but did you ever fantasize yourself playing the character while you were growing up?
Yes, I dressed up as Miss Marvel when I was 15. I fell in love with those comic books. I read all of them when I was in high school. You know, I would say it as a joke that I wanted to play her, and now I am, and it's just incredible that this opportunity even crossed my path.
The responsibility of playing a Marvel superhero in a Disney film at such a young age. How did you handle the pressure and expectation?
I didn't. I just went to work and had fun. That's really what this character is just, you know, a girl who's excited by all the fantasy in her world, and for me that's Marvel, and it was really easy for me to kind of slip into Kamala's shoes because I was easily as excited by everything around me, by working at people who wear Marvel Studios logos on their hats and jackets. It was just so cool.
The stunts Miss Marvel performs on screen are first rate. Were you under pressure? How did you prepare for that?
Well, I have a wonderful stunt team, and my stunt double and I really tried to work together with as much time as we could, you know, given that it's a TV show and everything moves very fast. But we really got to sit down and kind of work out what Kamala's fighting style is and how different of a fighter she is and what her core moves are going to be. So it was just a lot of collaboration, and our stunt team made this so easy for me, and it was just so much fun.
You certainly resemble the girl next door from Pakistan. How did you manage that look in Miss Marvel?
Oh, I don't know. This is how I look. Yeah.
If you could take one superpower that Miss Marvel possesses, which one would it be?
I mean, I'd like giant purple fists. I think that would be fun. Don't have to get up, just can reach across the room and get things.
And are you excited about the prospect that Miss Marvel will be releasing in cinemas in Pakistan?
I am very excited. I still have some family in Pakistan, and they're all like, we're going to book out full theaters with all our friends and family. And honestly, your show is so cinematic that I'm really glad that we can show this in a larger format. Yeah.
How has Miss Marvel changed you, Iman Vellani, as a person?
I think I've really gotten a chance to reconnect with my culture. It's something that I was kind of dismissive about growing up, and now working with so many incredibly talented and cool South Asian and Muslim creatives on our show just really inspired me to kind of get back in touch with my roots because they were so in touch with theirs. And yeah, I looked up to them, and I wanted to kind of reconnect with that side of me.
Who has been your favorite co-star in the series?
Oh, I mean, I love them all. I really had fun with Sagar, who plays Amer, and Rish, who plays Kamal's love interest, Kamran, and Nakia, Yasmin. God, I love everyone. We all really got to bond because in Atlanta, we all ended up living in the same apartment. So when we were not hanging out at work, we were hanging out at home. And so it was just a really fun camaraderie.
Thank you very much. That's enough. And best of luck for the series.
Thank you.